Got friend requests piling up on Facebook? Let's learn how to accept them using your iPhone. Hi, I'm Ziok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to accept Facebook friend requests on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Go to the Friends tab by tapping on the Friends icon from the bottom of the screen. Here you can see the friend request section. Tap on the See All option right next to it. Now scroll through the list of friend requests and find the one that you want to accept. Finally, tap on the Confirm button below the person's name to accept their friend request. And this is how you can accept friend requests on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.